Nature is one of the greatest gifts of life. It provides fresh air, clean water, and peaceful surroundings. When people spend time in nature, they feel relaxed and refreshed. Green trees, colorful flowers, flowing rivers, and high mountains make the world beautiful. Nature also teaches us patience and balance because everything grows slowly and peacefully. Many people like to walk in parks or visit natural places to escape from the busy routine of life. Listening to birds, singing and feeling the cool breeze can reduce stress and bring happiness. Protecting nature is our responsibility because a healthy environment is necessary for a healthy life. By caring for nature, we protect our future and the beauty of our planet.